Good morning, everybody. This is Joseph Cusick, Vice President of Asset and Wealth Management at MoneyBlock and TradingBlock.com with your traders exclusive for Friday, final trading day of the week, and U.S. futures continue to extend this soaringness to the upside. We saw that start off on Thursday with a robust rally by the bulls. Feels like I'm in Spain. European central banks overnight, Mr. Draghi came out with a $1 trillion Euro bond buying program. Looks like QE is rampant on the European continent. And right now, that extension of the program and the expectation that it will continue to be extended into December has really put some catalyst behind the upside here in the States. We also saw that China overnight decided to cut rates. That was a big stimulus over the overnight action. And then we saw strong earnings from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. This is like a perfect storm for equities right now. And the upside and the bulls are rampant. Now, the dovish stance by the central banks around the world, including here in the United States at this juncture, well, that is the catalyst. Now, despite the intermarket warnings that we continue to see, like the bond yields continuing to fall off, as well as the small caps and mid caps, they're not buying into this rally. As a matter of fact, if you take a look at the NASDAQ and the S&P, they both have now challenged upside resistance and broken it. If you look at the NASDAQ, that's the 49.10 level, and the S&P 500, it's actually gone through that 2045 level with some gusto, now trading at 2065 as I look back at the trading floor. So with this momentum from the central banks and stimulus, with the current earnings announcements that have come out with some big large cap names, the bulls are rampant on the streets. And unless we start to see some uncertainty as far as whether or not the economy here in the States is actually as healthy as everyone thinks, buy side is going to be where most traders are going to be spending some time looking for opportunities. All right, folks, that's it for your Traders Exclusive. This is Joseph Cusick, Vice President of Wealth and Asset Management from MoneyBlock.com and TradingBlock.com. Wishing you a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.